Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a quick update on Twitter Spaces. So I made a video about Twitter Spaces some time ago, trying to help people to just get this Twitter Spaces feature on devices which were not getting it as it was rolled out to people. So when you see right here, I have the Twitter Spaces right here, and then on my Android device too, I was able to just get the Spaces after I did this. So I suggested it to a lot of people through a video I made on my channel, and right now the video isn't valid any longer. The form isn't valid any longer because Twitter has actually said they've rolled the Twitter Spaces out to everyone, and this is not going to work. So when you go to my description, in case you're watching this video because you want to get a Twitter Spaces feature, Twitter has actually made it known to us that this feature has been rolled out to everyone successfully. So when you see the form right here, which I was directing people to just go fill in order to get their Twitter Spaces, and then you click on open to go to the page, this was where you're going to get the form which we're going to fill in order to get this Twitter Spaces. So when you check out right here, you're going to see Spaces feedback, community sign up. As of October 21st 2021, now anyone can host a space. So when you move on to just tap on this section right here, it's going to turn you to the Twitter Spaces Twitter account, and then it's going to tell you the time has arrived. We are now rolling out the ability for everyone on iOS and Android to host a space. If this is your first time hosting, welcome. Here is a refresher on how. So you see, they are trying to tell us that everyone can host a Twitter Spaces now. So the form I shared with you right here is not valid any longer. And in case you are watching this video and then you're trying to get a Twitter Spaces feature, I just want you guys to know that the Spaces feature is now available for everyone. In case you are eligible to have a Twitter Spaces, you are now going to be able to just get a feature, and you have to have about 600 followers before you're going to be able to host a Twitter Spaces. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I have a lot I'm going to be sharing with you about tech and then social media apps. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.